Ever wondered how to make your Webflow site truly captivating with interactive animations? First, you need a Lottie animation file. Head over to Lottie.com, where you can find a vast library of free and premium animations. Once you've found the perfect animation, download it as a JSON file. Now, within your Webflow project, navigate to the element panel and drag in a new Lottie animation element. With the Lottie element selected, go to the right-hand panel where you'll see a section to upload your JSON file. Click Upload and select the Lottie JSON file you just downloaded. Voila! Your Lottie animation is now live on your Webflow site. Webflow offers great control over your Lottie animations. You can effortlessly adjust settings like autoplay, looping, and even control the animation speed. For more dynamic experiences, use Webflow's interaction panel to trigger your Lottie animations on events like scroll into view, hover, or click. And that's how you bring your Webflow projects to life with stunning Lottie animations, creating engaging and visually rich web experiences without a single line of code.